Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that sounds elegant but has a rather negative meaning, ignominious. It might seem tricky at first, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is ignominious. Let's break it down. First we have ig, which sounds like ig in ignore. Next is na, which is a soft, unstressed syllable like in banana. Then comes min, which rhymes with pin and should be spoken clearly. Next we have e, which sounds like the long e in see. Finally, we have us, which sounds like us in focus. Now let's put it all together. Ignominious. Try repeating after me. Ignominious. Now a little faster, ignominious. And at full speed, ignominious. Keep practicing, and soon this word will come naturally to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Ignominious means shameful, humiliating, or disgraceful. It describes something that causes deep embarrassment or dishonor. For example, a leader who is caught in a scandal might face an ignominious resignation. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce ignominious and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.